What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this Lightbar Pro. I saw an ad on YouTube for this, and I usually skip through ads until I started following it and realized, wow, this is pretty cool. So let's go through the basics of it all. This is a light bar for your head. It's a headlamp type of design. This is the instructions here. Press button 1 or button 2 to turn it on. Long press to turn it off. It has a white mode, a red mode, and a spotlight mode. Alright, so I haven't even broken the tape yet. And we'll take my butter knife here and cut this tape as I nick the box because I can't cut with a butter knife. Alright, so here it is, Lightbar Pro. So in the box here we have a thank you for your order. Okay. Pretty straightforward. This looks like a charging cable of some sort. And what's cool about this is that the headband is washable. So if you're working outside and it gets all sweaty or whatnot, you can wash it. All right. So here's the basics of it all. It's comprised of, let's count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 LED lights. My understanding is that the spotlight feature only illuminates these part here, and the rest of the features, like the rest of the normal mode, I would say, is all the lights. Now it does have little lights in between here, which I'm wondering if those are the red lights that it's talking about. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see. This is the battery pack in the back. That's the charging port for that. It's got some weight to it. It's not light by any means. Okay, so that's where you connect it, I guess, right there. That's how you get power from the battery pack to the light. I guess these are the two buttons they're talking about. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, so that's bright, that's medium, and that's low. Ah, cool. And those are the red lights. Dim. All right, so the red light has a bright function and a normal function, versus the white light has a bright, medium, and low. So I wonder why Lightbar just didn't add 3 settings on the light, on the red light as well. They did 3 settings on the white, but not the red. I mean, whatever, but it's just peculiar when they design these things. Like, why do they do that stuff? All right, so let's look at the headband for a second. It looks like this is Velcro, so this pulls off, and that undoes your battery pack. Wow. So that's kind of interesting, guys. The battery pack sits right here, and it Velcros in through the back. So what is stopping the battery pack from just... Okay, what's in there? I guess that's stopping it. The Velcro is. But I just look at the design of it all, right? And so like I can take 2 hands, of course, and pull this out, and then boom, you just lost your battery pack. And if you're sweating, the headband could more or less get more elastic. If the Velcro lost its grip, your battery pack just fell off, and now it's dangling on your head, and you know, that's not, I don't know, that may not be the best design of the battery pack. I'd be curious if other people have reviews of that, you know, of using the light, if they've had issues with it falling out of this little harness here. It's just a Velcro strap. This all seems pretty heavy duty. That's kind of cool. So this is like a waterproof cap, and this is waterproof IPX70, I believe, or 75. So that's cool. So this can fall in the water and still work. It has, I believe, 20 hours of runtime on the normal setting, 5 hours of runtime on the high setting. This is not going to be a video about putting it in the dark and like seeing how well the light performs. I'll do that in another video. This is just a simple unboxing video because I want to kind of see the product. And this is the back side of the charging case. The charging case itself seems pretty solid. It's watertight. I mean, there might be a water entry point in there, but it's a lithium ion battery, and that goes in there. This headband here is all Velcro into the light, so I would assume you just pull off this Velcro and then you can wash the headband. So that's a pretty cool feature. Not many lights have that. It'd be kind of cool if there was a strobe feature, you know, like an SOS, I'm hurt, let me put this light into a strobe feature. But there's not. Long press to turn it off. Okay, so it's off there, unless there was a strobe feature. Oh, let's figure out the spotlight feature. Okay, spotlight, press 1 and 2 together. All right, let's do that. Okay, cool. So spotlight uses 1, 2, 3, 4 of the middle LED lights, and then, you know, the rest are dull and out. All right, so if you push it together again, it dims. Oh, so you can dim the spotlight as well. That's kind of cool. So, okay, cool. So you have a dim spotlight and a bright spotlight, normal light, dim, low, red, and then hold 1 or 2 down to turn it off. So the light functions pretty nicely. You know, I'd be curious to see how these 2 buttons here hold up. When you push them and depress them in, they don't feel sticky, but I don't know how to describe it. It feels a little cheap. I don't know how long it'll hold up, so we'll see. This is the Lightbar Pro. They have several different models on their website. I definitely overpaid for this light. I do not feel like this light is worth like 90 bucks or whatever it is, but I don't know. I think it is cool. Don't get me wrong. I probably paid for the coolness factor of it, but just from the quality of material, it doesn't seem like it's like ooh or wah. It just seems like a light. I guess we'll see how it holds up, honestly. And we'll see how it performs in the dark. So that'll be my next video. Stay tuned, and we'll do a light test in the dark. And it'll be a good light test. Like, some people do light tests and there's like other lights around and you truly can't see how well the light performs. I'm going to be in a dark ass place, and we'll see how well this light performs in all settings. So that's it. That's the unboxing video of the Lightbar Pro. Thanks for watching. Take care.